Presenting our MarkinBOX electric pin marking units, an ideal solution for automation, benchtop, or portable applications. Our compact size MB3315S unit offers a convenient marking window of 33 mm by 15 mm. The MB8020S midsize unit combines portability with a longer marking window of 80 mm by 20 mm. Our larger sized MB1010 tool post marker has a marking window of 100 mm by 100 mm and is great for tag marking or nesting parts. The MB2015 is our largest tool post model, giving you a marking window of 200 mm by 150 mm, making it an ideal option for large parts, nesting parts, or tag marking. We offer the big solenoid option on our MB8020S, MB1010, and MB2015 units. The BSD option has a 5 mm carbide pin and larger solenoid, great for applications requiring a post-process. The MarkinBOX controller allows a variety of communications, including USB, wireless Wi-Fi, LAN networking, digital I/O, and RS-232 for easy automation projects. The controller can also safely store 255 individual program files. All of our MarkinBOX units have built-in shutter kits to keep out the debris. The equipped carbide pin allows the user to ID a variety of materials, including any metal surface up to 62 Rockwell, wood, and plastic in the following industries. Our free iOS and Android app gives the user the freedom of loading saved program files from their control box, all from their phone or tablet. The included Windows-based software, Sketchbook 2, gives the user the ability to mark logos, readable 2D barcodes, serialization, multiple text fields, and many other functions. The high-quality marking capability gives you an easily readable 1 mm character height. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.